Hi guys, welcome back to Purple Breeds. Today we are going to be spending time with the horses because we're at my nanny's farm in Perth for Christmas. On the way we might see some wildlife like kangaroos and emus and ducks, and I'm going to show you around the stables, and we'll get to pat some horses and see some horses, and we'll do riding as well. Okay, so this is the first part of the stables. So we're going to go show you the feed shed, and then we're going to go show you the back. So this is the hay shed. And after that, we're going to go show you the feed shed over there. Let's go. Look, there's a magpie. 3 magpies. So, here's the feed shed where they do all the feeds. So, here's all their feeds, and in these there's like all the feed in there. And in this one there's more. And then we have more. And then these are all the horses' feeds. Then in here, we have that. Yep, we have this. So what we usually do is put, first we put in, usually put in this, and then sometimes we put that in, and we also might sometimes put some water in, or molasses, and then at the end we put that in. Okay, now we might go see some horses. We might go see some horses now. Over here. I don't know if the horse I know might be here, but we'll see. It's this way. And then maybe we can go see a pony after. Oh, we'll see the pony here. The pony's right here. So this is Eddie. This is Eddie, and he is my nana's pony, but he always runs over here. So, yeah. Really nice. And then over here, this beautiful grayish whitish horse is Shuey. This is a boy, and he's a very nice horse. I love him so much. Okay. Okay. So here's the back, and there's some emus. I told you we might see some wildlife. Oh, they're eating the horse's feed. The horse looks like it's getting grumpy. Look. Emus can hurt you sometimes. Okay. We'll go over here now. We'll show you the... Oh, there's more emus. 4 emus we've seen so far. We'll show you the rubber yard. Hard to walk in this there. Hi, Shirley. Hi, Eddie. Okay, in here there's like and reins, and then there's brushes over here, and here, this is where the horses get stronger and then through practicing get fitter. There's another very nice horse. Its name is Goldie. There's baby emus, guys. Isn't that cool? It looks like it's with a dad because I know that the mum, they go when the babies hatch. Only the dad looks after them. Oh no, they're splitting up. Go back to your mum. Aren't they so cute? We found some kangaroos on the track. Now we're going to chase them away from the grass. Do you want to try and go in? Do you want to try and go in and find Uncle Jimmy's one got lost? Do you want to like go in there and find Uncle Jimmy's one what is lost and it got stuck? So cool. Go in and find it. I know how to get. Hi guys, now we're gonna have a little ride on Eddie. No, I am the pony. He's gonna ride it. I'm not in the mood to ride a pony right now because, okay, we'll just get Zach on.
Go on, Zach.
And I'll be leading it. Meow.
So you always touch the horse's back before you climb on him, right? And you go, yeah, hold his mane.
Eddie. This way. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Hold on. Hold on to me, Daddy.
I will.
Eddie. Hey. I'll get him off. Eddie. Don't eat my foot. Eddie. Let's go. Let's go. Eddie. Okay. I'm calm on this one. It's running. What are you doing? Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You lead it better than Dad. You lead it better than Dad, Charlotte. Dad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. What? I nearly fucked you off then. I nearly did this and I nearly got off. You went for a trot then. Whoa, calm down. It's okay. I'm about to fall in the water. Come on. Whoa, whoa, Eddie. Eddie. Hey, whoa. No. No. Michael. No, boy. I get to lead him.
It's not as nice.
Come on. Whoa.
It's leading. I don't know what he's doing.
Give me my bat. Give me my bat. Come in, dude. Come on. Just jump in. Whoa. 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 Wait.
What?
Ah! I'm making its head stay up. I'm making its head stay up. Whoa. Shut it. Okay, so here's our pet dogs, and we'll give you a look. We have lots more, but they're probably all sleeping. But there's only 3 out. Oh, there's another one over there. Yeah, there's usually lots of dogs around here. Our pets. Oh, they're gonna get. Oh, this one's not a scaredy cat. This one. Bruh.
Hi.
This is the new pup, Oakley, and his name is Oakley, and it's my cousin's dog. Yeah, you treat. You treat. Oakley, get it. Oh, crumbs. Come on. So there, guys, that's the end of the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it.